You may be wondering why put a panty liner on a trash bin. Well, don't worry, we will explain it for you in a moment. Panty liners are an important item for half of the population, but their true potential goes far beyond their primary purpose. From trash bin freshness to jewelry preservation, we've got 15 surprising uses for panty liners that will leave you wondering why you didn't know them sooner. So, join us and discover the power of panty liners that might just change your life. Number 19, chest stain protector. You ever get sweat stains on your chest? Don't sweat it. Just cut 2 panty liners to size and stick them to the inside of your bra just above the wire. Who knew panty liners had so many different uses? Once you try out these life hacks, you'll never look back. Number 18, DIY freshener. After learning about this hack, you'll probably ditch air fresheners and save some cash. Is there a faint, musty odor coming from your closet? You can get rid of it by applying a few drops of your preferred essential oil or your favorite perfume to panty liner and hang it in your wardrobe. Your clothing will now constantly smell clean and fresh. For people who grow weary of repeatedly washing and drying their garments to get rid of the scent, this hack is a must-try. Number 17, cooling pads. Don't have any cooling pads or ice packs on hand? Don't worry, here's a great alternative. Soak a panty liner in water, put it in the freezer for 15 minutes, and use it as a cooling pad on whatever little bruises you might have. Number 16, protect tabletops. Using a panty liner to protect tabletops is a cost-effective and practical solution for preventing spills and stains. Simply clean the table, apply the adhesive side of the panty liner to the surface, and cut it to the desired size if needed. Replace it when soiled and dispose of it properly. Number 15, sweat absorption. Tired of experiencing discomfort from prolonged shoe wear? There's a simple remedy for this issue. Panty liners are remarkably effective at absorbing sweat. Just cut a panty liner into small strips and strategically place them in the areas where your shoes tend to cause discomfort. If you're susceptible to blisters, this hack is a must-try. The soft cotton of the panty liner will shield your feet from the abrasive shoe material, providing a comfortable solution. Number 14, shoe insoles. Ever had a pair of shoes that just wouldn't cooperate? If your shoes are causing discomfort or don't have the best insoles, panty liners can save the day. The material of the panty liner is soft and safe to use on skin. Stick one to the sole of your shoe for extra cushioning and to absorb moisture, which can help alleviate foot odor. Your feet will thank you. Number 13, easy nail polish remover. Did you run out of cotton balls? Are you sick of buying a whole bag of them just for one task? They can now be permanently removed from your shopping list. Just grab a panty liner, it gets the job done, and you'll only need to use one. Number 12, deodorant stains prevention. Deodorant stains are the worst, right? To prevent those unsightly marks on your favorite shirts, just stick a panty liner inside your clothing at the underarm area. The ultra-absorbent padding will soak up the sweat, keep your skin dry, and keep you comfortable. The liners can be put into the shirt prior to putting it on, and each one can be pressed onto the fabric for about 15-30 seconds to secure the hold. If you're wearing a short-sleeve shirt, cut the panty liners in half before applying them to avoid them peeking out. Number 11, makeup savior. Makeup can be messy business. Ever had eyeshadow fall out all over your freshly ironed shirt? It's a bummer, but you can prevent that. While you're getting ready, drape a panty liner over your chest. It will catch any makeup fallout, keeping your clothes looking pristine. Number 10, DIY first aid bandage. Panty liners can be used as a first aid bandage. Panty liners are highly absorbent and can cover a wide skin area, making them ideal for wound care. They can also provide extra protection for the wound and are quite inexpensive, making them ideal for environments where dressings have to be changed often. To use, take the panty liner out of its pouch and remove the adhesive strip. Cut a few pieces of duct tape to secure the panty liner to the wound. Since panty liners are not sterile, it is important to keep in mind that they should not be used for serious injuries. Sterile dressings are recommended for serious injuries. Number 9, jewelry tarnish prevention. Love your jewelry? So do we. To keep your silver jewelry from tarnishing, just place a panty liner in your jewelry box. It absorbs moisture, and that can slow down the tarnishing process. Number 8, floor protection. Panty liners offer a reliable solution to prevent furniture legs from damaging your floors. It's a simple and cost-effective way to safeguard your flooring. Just position the panty liner with the soft side down on each furniture leg, then secure it in place by wrapping it around. To make the solution less conspicuous or nearly invisible, consider cutting the panty liners into smaller pieces before placing them on your furniture legs. Number 7. Travel soap holder. When you're on the go, packing wet soap can be a real mess. But a panty liner can come to the rescue. Just wrap it around your soap, and you've got a portable soap holder that keeps everything neat and tidy. This DIY soap holder helps keep your soap dry and organized during your travels, and it's a sustainable, cost-effective solution. Number 6. Makeshift Band-Aid. Accidents happen, and sometimes you find yourself in need of a Band-Aid with none in sight. Well, panty liners can come to your rescue again. Fold one, sticky side in, to cover a small cut or blister. It'll protect the wound from dirt and irritation, even in a pinch. Number 5. Grill cleaner. Grilling is fantastic, but cleaning the grill grates? Not so much. When the grill grates are still warm but not scalding hot, you can use an old underwear leg as a makeshift grill cleaner. The textured fabric provides excellent scrubbing power. Number 4. Emergency headband. We've all had those days when our hair just needs to be tamed and there's no headband in sight. No worries, just cut a section of a panty liner and it becomes your emergency headband, keeping your hair in place during workouts or chores. Number 3. Sunglasses pouch. Sunglasses are precious and they deserve protection. To keep them safe and scratch-free in your bag or pocket, slip your shades into the clean and soft fabric of an old pair of underwear. It's a convenient and protective storage solution for your shades. Number 2. Planter insulation. Extreme weather conditions can be tough on your plants. In frost or intense heat, underwear can provide insulation for your planters. Lay a layer of old, clean underwear at the bottom before adding soil. This helps regulate temperature and moisture, benefiting your plants. Number 1. Trash bin freshness. Trash bins can get pretty gnarly sometimes. To keep them smelling fresh, lay a panty liner at the bottom before adding the trash bag. It's like a little odor-absorbing secret that'll make your trash smell a whole lot better. That's all we have for today. If you want to see more popular videos we made, click one on the screen. Thanks for watching and see you next time.